What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Sean TV. You feel we back at it again with another video. You feel we in the big cat. Y'all see that steering wheel going up. I hope y'all do at least. But you feel we in the big cat. As y'all can see by the clouds and the water on the windshield, I don't know if it's gonna rain or drizzle, but you feel we finna do a little POV drive for y'all. I might do a little slime, you feel me, a little cutting up. Well, as much as I can. I'm just finna give y'all boys a video because I ain't posted in a couple of days. So you feel we finna go ahead and get into the video. You feel we already got the traction control off. You feel we it's time to bend. Shit. And we finna get out of there. This shit didn't really spin right because it's wet and dry. I know y'all hear that. Damn, a seatbelt. I keep forgetting about it. I do not want to wait at this light. I really want to skip. Y'all let me know how y'all been liking the videos. Y'all feel like I've been doing my thing with this YouTube. I'm trying to bring the city out for the next video though. I ain't gonna tell y'all what video we about to do, but the next video should be a real good banger. It's gonna be a lot of people involved. You feel me? We gonna get real active. Hopefully, if everybody come together, we're gonna make a 5 video. Oh my goodness. Can't be sitting here waiting on all these slow drivers, you feel me? We in the cat. We ain't got time for all that slow stuff. What the fuck is that noise? What? What the hell is that noise? I thought they were my brakes. I was like, God damn. I would say it's definitely something wrong with my brakes now. Now I ain't gonna lie, I do not drive fast in the rain. I might slide around the corner. But as far as driving fast in the rain, I ain't going for it. Losing it at a high speed is not gonna be pretty. Your ass gonna be grass, my boy. There go the feds. I see them boys from a mile away. Leave me alone. Oh, never mind, they ain't the police. I guess I can't see from a mile away. I think I need is it a front end alignment? Something. Well, not an alignment. It's like I feel a little shake from the front end when I get at a high speed. trying to get active. Right lane must turn right, except for buses. Well, I ain't a bus, nigga, but I am a boat. So you feel me? We gonna go around, my nigga. Yeah, hear me. We ain't no bus, nigga, but we a boat. Feel me? Floating through the city in that big boat. Look at that limo. Should I Hellcat swap a limo? That should be hard, wouldn't it? A Hellcat swap limo. I think I'd be the first in the world to do that, to pull that off. Take that bit to the, what it is, the pit. Slide the Hellcat limo. Yeah, I'm tweaking out. I don't know who I think I'm in. That was very dangerous. Damn, hold on. What way am I supposed to be going? I'm trying to take a different way to get where I'm trying to go, but I don't know. I think it's this way right here. Here, is it? Is it? Yeah, it should be. I hope, at least. Come on, niggas. Oh my God! I don't see no blue lights flashing. Nigga, we good, nigga. I just knew I was gonna see blue lights coming. That's the only thing I be scared of when I be doing these POVs in the rain. The police get behind me, I'm not running them in the rain. Not that I run police, you feel me? Don't do that, that's not good. Running the police is not good. It's very dangerous and you can get yourself hurt or killed. I think they thought I was finna run that down light. I was not about to do that. Boy, I love the wine, bitch. Yeah, I did race a GTR and a turbo Mustang, and I got whooped. Them cars was very fast. I need to do something to my car now. I don't know how much horsepower that Mustang was pushing, but it was definitely not stopped. I'm gonna try to get my boy on the video though. Oh, okay, that's cool. That ain't no bad. What's the name? I'm gonna turn right here, I guess. Nah, well, yeah. I'm gonna turn right here. If the light go ahead and change, like what the hell? We get tired of waiting at lights. We get active. We don't get active for these homeless people right here. Go ahead and go, my boy. What y'all need to know about that? Mr. Beat the Road. Come on now, niggas. Y'all supposed to be at home. All this damn traffic. Alright, this the last car. I just realized I was not in my lane. I was looking at the phone because I thought it had stopped recording. And I was not in my lane. Do not get in the comments and be like, you don't know how to stay in your lane when you're sliding. You don't know how to drive. Calm down. Pipe down. We got this. We just having fun at the end of the day. You feel me? It ain't that serious, my boy. I don't think staying in my lane is important as long as I'm not coming up on head-on traffic, you feel me? We sliding a Hellcat. Nothing we do is right. I know these people behind me looking like, oh my God, that guy almost lost control. No, I ain't almost lose no control. I know exactly what I'm doing, my nigga. Damn. What the fuck, that damn sign right there? These folks jogging in the rain. I don't even see these folks out here. I don't even know what type of car my boy in. No police behind us. Is that them right there? Why is there so many people at the park and it's raining? And I'm looking for somebody. Okay, I see his car. Well, YouTube, that's gonna conclude this video. You feel me? You feel me? Just a little cut up. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video. I guess sliding every turn in a big Hellcat. You feel me? I gotta go meet up with somebody real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in whenever I drop more videos and bangers. You feel me? And we is gonna have some good videos coming. Trust me and believe. I'm gonna try. Hopefully we get it taken care of this week when we shoot the video, but it should be something that y'all really gonna enjoy. So that'll be it until next time, gang. Peace.